We are not the leaders of tomorrow, but leaders of now. Second, we have to take charge. Every few collected, never to run they are blocking us from accessing our package.
I'm the FDC chairperson, Wakiso District FDC. What has happened here, I've received information early morning that FDC chairman Waswa Biriggwa was meant to address a press conference at 11. However, he has been held inside. He has been arrested by goons. You've seen how they have manhandled us. You've seen how they have harassed journalists. They have held him inside. What has bothered me is that he has been held by the Kora, by Power himself. That is what has brought me here. How can Power manhandle FDC chairman by the Kora? That is unprecedented in FDC history.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yenze Haji Aruno omusomi w'edduwa asangibwe Bulumaji ku luguudo lw'Ejjinja nkola ku bintu ebyenjawulo ng'emuli endwadde zitawaanya abantu aba bulijjo. Nkola ku abo bonna abalina ebizibu mu mukwano. Bw'oba olina ebizibu mu mukwano jjangu gyendi neeyonera nsobole okumalira ensonga. Nkola ku mikisa egy'emirimu, nkola ku abo abaagala okugenda ebweru, buntu nk'okozesebwa amajiini, okozesebwa saitwani, ebyo byonna mbikolako. Osobola okukozesa ennamba z'olaba ku screen oba okuweereza obubaka ku WhatsApp.